What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade on my boy Jose, so stay tuned. We started off by saturating the hair and combing everything in the direction it lays. Then we switched over to our gold FX and created our guideline, contouring to his head shape. Now that we're done balding him out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. You also want to make sure you're contouring this guideline to the shape of their head as well. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our original guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, we're going to close our lever and soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Now that the line is soft enough with the one guard, we can switch over to our half guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to the two guard all the way open, this guard is going to help us connect the top half of the fade to the bottom half of the fade. It's also going to get us ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the two guard, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and connect the two parts. Now, using our 3 guard all the way open, we're going to remove the bulk and blend into the top. now using our clipper over comb method to smooth out the fade. Moving on to our shear work, we saturated the top and now we're going to make our first guideline through the middle and connect it to the sides. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you again. Moving on to his hairline, we're going to start off in the middle and work our way to the sides. We're making sure and being very careful not to push him back in his corners. Always comb the flyaway hairs and baby hairs you see near the hairline. Using our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible. We're also going to do his eyebrows.